everyone! Today we're making super simple Korean style egg fried rice, and for ingredients we'll need 2 eggs, spring onions and a rice of your choice. Okay, let's get started. So in my bowl of rice I'm cracking 2 eggs. So here I'm using white sticky rice with some mixed grains, but you can use any sorts of rice. You can use brown rice, you can use white rice, sticky rice, and then mix very well. I like to do my egg fried rice this way because it makes sure that the egg is well distributed all across. Yep, so I'm just mixing everything. Then I'm adding some salt and pepper. Then mix again. Mix. And now we're going to prepare our spring onions. And here I'm just going to slice them quite finely. Once the chopping is done, we're done with the preparation and we're off to the stir frying process. Here I got a medium-sized pan, and then I'm going to add some olive oil, just plentiful, maybe around 3 tablespoons. Then I'm adding the chopped spring onions to bring out that aromatic spring onion oil scent, and just fry that in low heat. And it already smells so good. Then once the spring onions start going transparent, we're adding that egg and rice mixture that we made. Just adding that in. Then continue stir frying and mixing it all together. And then for some extra flavoring, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And I've seen it somewhere where they burn the soy sauce before mixing it all with the rice. And I think it's meant to give a richer, more intense flavoring. I'm not quite sure. It was nice either way. Then just keep mixing, allowing that egg to fully cook. And you won't believe it, it's already ready. And I had my rice with a side dish of kimchi. Ooh, and it was super delicious. And it's embarrassingly simple. And after having 2/3 of the meal, I realized I had spicy seafood soft tofu soup. So I had that as well alongside, and it was super delicious. And as you can see, I demolished that meal. Then for dessert, I had some white grapes. And that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and I hope you enjoyed this cooking with me video. And please let me know in the comments below of anything you want me to make or any feedback on my first video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!